Here it is, the muffler mod. We'll slap it in there, and also gonna run a 16-inch bar. New chain. I think it'd be pretty sweet. When you install this West Coast Saw muffler mod, I'll show you guys step by step. So first thing you're gonna have to do is remove your bar and chain. So take off your clutch cover. I already took off the bar, cleaned it up a bit. And there's 2 screws here. 1, 2. Those. Alright. And then there's 1 screw right. There's a screw here, and a screw here. It's 3 total. You take those out and it should slide right out. When you install it, it's pretty much the same thing, but I'm gonna clean this up a bit. When you do mount the muffler to your saw, this is where it mounts up. I mean, obviously. And it goes in just like that. My saw is upside down. Let's see, it's pretty close. Then you have the holes to line up too, see? So I'll just sink the screws in and put it all back together. Yep, see, that's it, just 2 screws. The third one you won't use because it isn't that long, so you should save some weight, which is nice. This thing's big and bulky, and I'm sure it's pretty restricted. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I think it isn't that bad. You know, you can see light. Like, look at that. You guys were along for the ride, and it's way cleaner. This is pretty goofy, if you ask me. It's got this stupid opening, super restrictive. If you want to muffler mod this, my suggestion would be, you know, drill a couple holes, maybe even 1, 2 right there, and that'd potentially get it outside. Let's see if it mounts up like that. Yeah, I'd say drill 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. That'll get you there. Anyways, I ain't gonna mess around with that because we got the West Coast Saw. They kept on going in and out of stock, in and out of stock. So you go online and their dogs would be in stock for the 540. So finally, because I didn't want to buy one and then have to buy the other and pay for shipping twice. So anyways, that's much better of a look. Actually looks like a real saw. Make a couple cuts. I know the auto tune probably isn't gonna dial in. 540 XP. Make a couple cuts before and after. Show what the muffler mod actually can do to this saw. It has a 14-inch bar, whatever you want to call it, and this is just pine. It's a 4x4.